Hey there, my name is Jonathan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to spy on your competitors' online business and what type of marketing funnel they're using such that you can emulate the successful ones. This method is completely free and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes. So we're just gonna hop into the computer and I'm gonna show you real quick. And in this funnel, you can clearly see a visual representation of the entire funnel and how a customer will go through your entire funnel all the way to the checkout page. So in this sense, to be able to spy on your competitors as well, you need to be aware of what the marketing funnel does at each step and what's the purpose of each step. Alright, so to spy on your competitors' marketing funnel, what you can do is simply, there are just two methods, right? Then they're both free. You come into Google and you just type in your niche. So I've been using the same example of, for example, if I have running a music school, and currently I'm based in Singapore, so I'm just gonna key in the keywords music lessons Singapore. So for example, if I was offering a piano lesson, right? So I'll be typing in piano lessons Singapore. I'd just like to remind you that this method works for any niche that you're in. So you just have to search your long tail keywords as well as your short tail keywords into Google and then just do and repeat the process. Alright, so the Google PPC ads on the top means that these companies and these brands are already running ads to their own websites, right? They're trying to promote it, which means that they are already engaging in social media marketing as well as Google PPC running ads, right? This means that they have a budget, a real marketing budget they're already spending money on, and the fact that they are the top bits instead of the bits at the bottom means that they are optimizing very well for the ads already. Okay, so you will generally know that these companies and these brands in your niche are already doing very well, so you can technically spy on what they're doing and kind of imitate and copy what they're doing well. Alright, so for example, awesome piano lesson Singapore. Let's just take a look. Alright, so this ad, PPC ad, directly goes to the website page. Something that I don't want to know. Let's see, the second one would be Premier Home Tutors. Okay, so the second one also comes to the website page. It seems more like this is a landing page, so it's quite optimized already. Alright, so another thing that you can look towards is, after seeing that they are already the top bidders and the top people on the Google PPC platform, this generally means that either they've already tried social media marketing through Facebook and whatever, or they're exclusively doing PPC, right? So they already have a marketing budget for all this. So for example, if I premium tutors, I would just go to Facebook and I'll search premium tutors Facebook, for example. Alright, I'll just come to their homepage. Alright, so on the left side here of every Facebook business page, there's this info and ads column that you can access. It's basically spying and looking for what type of ads that are currently running on someone's brand. So as you can see here, there are no ads that are showing. So premium tutors, even though they're running a PPC ad, they are not running ads on their Facebook profile. Alright, let's just give another example. We'll change it to music lessons Singapore. Let's see what we get. Okay, so Studio 72, I know they're running PPC ads. Let's see. Alright, so Studio 72, okay, they're running it to the homepage as well. Okay, let's just see what Studio 72 is doing on Facebook. So I'll just type in Studio 72 Facebook. Alright, coming into Facebook, look to info and ads again. Alright, so now we know Studio 72 is also not running ads at the current moment. Now we know Studio 72 is also not currently running ads at the moment. They are only doing PPC ads. Alright, so the reason why I opened up this Aura's Academy is I found this while searching using this method. So I'll just search. So generally they'll come up for music lessons as well, but I'm just gonna search their Google PPC ad. So as you can see here, they're running a Google PPC. Alright, so they're running it to a landing page that will come in to a lead generation form on the right over here. So you guys can see they have a very nice optimized video right here. They have the lead generation form that connects to their CRM, as well as their social proof, as well as all of their location and database information. So another thing would be, the reason why I use this Aura's Academy as an example is because they themselves have been running Facebook ads. So as you can see, active ads currently, you can really see what type of ads that your competitors are running easily by this method. And not only that, so once you have identified like ads that you've feel that are optimized and feel that are doing well because they have been running for a long time, you can clearly click on one of them. So you're technically like a customer that has access into the marketing funnel. So basically think of it as you're scrolling through your Facebook feeds and you're seeing a video, and right, you're interested in this Aura's Academy, I guess Music Academy. So you click on this sign up ad as if you were a customer on Facebook, as if you were just a scroller, and you're just directed to this page. So if you just key in all your information, put in your email and such, and you'll be already sent the email and all the lead magnet that is associated with this Aura's Academy. You can clearly see everything that your customer is doing in their marketing funnel, and you can really build and imitate that marketing funnel as well, since you know they are already at the top of the search engines and they already optimized their ads, as well as all the ad copy for the advertising. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question on Facebook advertising, as well as other questions on digital marketing, you can just put it in the comment section below and I'll definitely respond to it. Thank you for watching.